Hey, hi, it's me. I'm on my way to Trader Joe's to see what new vegan products they have. I can't film there. They banned me from filming there. They won't let me take pictures. So anything that's new and vegan, I need to buy it, bring it home, and show you guys that way. So let's go. All right, guys, I just got back from Trader Joe's and did a little haul. Got all these things, trying to see what kind of new vegan things they have there. Just kind of go through each thing that we have here. And some of the things I don't even think that I'm going to eat, but I just wanted to show what new things they have. So we have these crispy banana ribbons, you know. If I don't like these, I'm sure I know who would definitely eat them. Yeah. They would also eat these. These are not new, but I wanted to pick them up for them. They do have these. These are vegan treats for pups. Ketchup, that was just needed some organic ketchup. Don't even know what these are. Don't even know if they really look good, but they were 99 cents. And they are vegan Bomba peanut snacks. Have to try those out. I was hoping they'd have a lot of fall themed things, but right now they don't. We got hearts of palm pasta. Right there, it says vegan right on it. I'll have to come up with something with that. Watermelon jerky. Now, I've had something like this before from another company. Organic watermelon, dried watermelon. So that's the only ingredients in these is dried watermelon, organic watermelon. Truth be told, Trader Joe's is not the cheapest place to buy most of your food. They are vegan. These are not new, but I always grab these. These are just mango. There's nothing else on them. There's no sugar, nothing, just mango, dehydrated mango. And it's a good little snack, and I like snacks. I actually went shopping with Rachel. I didn't even see her pick this up. This is the cookie butter. It's really good, but it's not new. This is a dressing. This is not new either. The green goddess salad dressing, vegan. I don't think I've ever tried that. It's not new. We got some nice big organic cucumbers. These were 99 cents each, and they really were 99 cents. Not 99 cents a pound, 99 cents each. Made a little mistake with the papaya in the last video. This is their oat ice cream, frozen ice cream. And it's probably really melted right now. Non-dairy, vegan, so it's vegan right there. And there it is. So a lot of oat-based ice creams and milks coming out lately. I don't see why not, it's really good. Obviously blueberries, nothing new, but I really love my blueberries, so wanted to get that. More stuff that Rachel grabbed. So this is just basically a grocery haul with some of the new things. Multigrain blend with vegetables. Make a stir fry or something. Salad. This is succotash, soyucatash. I believe these are new. I don't believe I've ever seen these before. The Thai vegetable gyoza. They're like little dumplings or pot stickers or whatever. And they are vegan. I believe that I had these in one of my older videos, but I haven't seen them in a while. And they are vegan. They're burritos, and I don't know, I felt like pointing them out. Organic baked tofu. Not new. Peanut udon noodle salad and spinach salad. These I believe are new. I haven't seen these before. These are the vegan jackfruit Crabless cakes. Now we have some burgers. Now I've never seen these. I've seen other people post them, but at my Trader Joe's I haven't seen them yet. These are the turkey-less protein patties. So I figured I might as well, you know, try them out, show you guys for those of you that don't know about them. And then these, I believe I have seen these before. I don't think these are brand new, but they had both of them, so I just grabbed them. And that's it for the Trader Joe's haul. I think I'm gonna try some of these different things. I'm not gonna try everything here because I've already tasted some of them in other videos and stuff like that. But I do want to try a few of these different things and try to create some dishes. Maybe I can make a dish with, like, I don't know, some of all of these put together or something. What do you guys think? All right, I'm gonna make a meal, taste some of this stuff. We got the multigrain blend with vegetables, and I'm just gonna do a little stir fry, I guess, on my cast iron with this green garbanzo beans, and it's vegan. And then I'm gonna steam these Thai veggie dumplings here. And I have my bamboo steamer right here ready to go. I'll put some dumplings on there and we will cover it. So this is flavored baked tofu, teriyaki flavor. And I'm just going to chop it up into some cubes. Maybe we'll put it right into that stir fry over there, or maybe I'll even heat it up in the air fryer, which either way is doable. When you have baked tofu, it gets a whole different texture, and it's really good. And I know it's teriyaki flavor, but I want to put some of this buffalo wing sauce on it. All right, that's what it looks like. Smells good. Got the tofu cooked in there, the dumplings. I got a little thing of soy sauce to dip the dumplings in. Try this out. Totally unseasoned, nothing on it. See how you like it.
Good.
Okay.
Are there potatoes in this?
I don't know, I don't think so.
They're just potatoes. It's good.
I think it's the chickpeas. And then this is the dumpling. Soy saucing it up.
That's really good.
Is it? Mm-hmm. Let's see what it looks like. It's like, oh yeah, that does look really.
Give it back. I want to eat more.
I'm not gonna eat it. I got my own right here. All right, so she liked it. Let me try it. I got the tofu and some of the medley, whatever it is here. Super good. Just like that, I'm gonna put some of this on mine because I want it. I put no spices or seasonings in it at all, nothing. And it's super good right out of the package. Yeah, this dumpling is really good. It's got a lot of flavor in it. Trader Joe dinner tonight. All right, now we gotta see what else we can do with some of the things we got. All right, so now it's time to try some of the food out. I just cooked up on the skillet some of these turkeyless protein burger patties. And I know these aren't new for everybody because I know some people were sharing these a while ago, but they weren't in my Trader Joe's and we just found them, so this is the first time I'm trying them. And we also have these jackfruit cakes right here that I cooked up, the little ones. And then just the regular burgers, which these aren't new either, but I think they're the first time I'm trying them.
Do you know which is which?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Grab a big old chunk of it. If you want, you can put some ketchup right down there too. Let me just move this one.
Try that ketchup first.
There we go. Yeah.
Oh, it's hot.
It smells good. It smells like Thanksgiving.
It's good.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah, it tastes like Thanksgiving.
let me try it.
What's the verdict?
It is really good. It does. It tastes like something you would have around Thanksgiving time. Now, when I saw these, they look very much like the Beyond Meat. You know, Beyond Meat's it's a great product, but when you cook it in the house, at least I've noticed this, and several of my friends also, it kind of makes your house kind of smell like almost like cat food or something. I mean, the burger itself is good. And it's good when you grill it, but when you cook it inside, for some reason, it makes your house smell. And I noticed when I cooked these ones up, they did not. And also, the Beyond Burger has a lot of coconut oil in it. So as you're cooking it, you don't need to oil or grease a pan to do it because it has a lot of oils in it, and you'll notice that when you start cooking it. So I just kind of assumed that these would be the same way. Totally not the case. It didn't create any real oil or anything, so I had to make sure it wasn't sticking to the pan. But let's try the actual burger, the regular burger. Smells like a burger. It doesn't smell exactly like a Beyond Burger. What was your verdict on that?
It tastes like a Beyond Burger. It doesn't smell like it, but it tastes like it.
Not quite.
Texture's a little different. A little mushy.
Uh-huh.
That's good.
I would say taste-wise, I would say the Beyond Burger probably is a little better than this. Mm-hmm. But that turkey burger, out of both of these, the turkey burger wins it for me. It's The turkey burger was really good.
The turkey burger has better texture.
So if I was gonna buy these again, I would probably pass on the regular burger and pick up the turkeyless burger. It was good. Okay, now let's try these. They're called Jackfruit Cakes. They're crabless cakes. So it doesn't smell fishy.
It smells like rubber.
I can't tell what spices are in it. So it is crispy on the outside, kind of mushy on the inside.
No.
It might be good with some vegan tartar sauce.
I'm not a fan.
They're not bad, but seafood was never my thing. And I probably would not buy these again. Not awful, but not my favorite thing. That's the only way I can really describe it. So far out of everything, the turkey burger definitely I would recommend the turkeyless burger, but the rest of the other two I probably would pass on.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, if I were to want a burger, I would get a Beyond Burger. I wouldn't get that one, but I do like the turkey burger. And it's a hard no for the crabless cake thing. Ugh.
As of right now, when we went to Trader Joe's, this is what they had. They didn't have too many fall things.
Yeah.
That's what I was hoping for, but they didn't have anything. So these are called Bomba peanut snacks. I don't know. They don't really sound too appetizing to
Do you
me.
think they'll be like peanut butter flavored? Because if they are, like
Well,
a Reese's
maybe.
Puff maybe? It's like a bitter Reese's Puff.
The dogs would love these. They're not bad. I mean, they're not disgusting, but at the same time, they're not making me want another one.
It's really just peanuts then. Peanut butter.
It's just like a peanut butter puff, like a cheese puff, but peanut butter instead of cheese. I'd probably give it maybe a 6 out of 10.
Yeah.
Something like that. I've actually had something very similar to this. Well, watermelon jerky, dried watermelon. So yeah, let's open this up.
I've never had watermelon jerky. I've had coconut. Not watermelon though.
Oh yeah, I don't like the coconut one. This isn't bad from the one that I had. He had different spices and. Those are like candy.
It's really just watermelon chips.
Yeah, but oh wow. I thought there was sugar in it. It tastes very sugary, but
Watermelon.
The only ingredient is organic watermelon. That's it.
Oh good. It's literally just like what, dehydrated
Yeah, dehydrated watermelon.
or dried watermelon.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Interesting to try it. All right, and next we have these. These do not sound appetizing to me, but again, I want to show you guys what we have here. These are called crispy banana ribbons. Yeah, I figured this is going to be more for the pups. Because I'm probably going to like these better than any of them. It's like just a banana, sliced banana.
I thought they were going to be like puffy. They're good.
They are good.
They're really good.
They're like, what do you compare them to?
Banana chips.
Yeah, but they got like kind of a familiar taste. Not too banana-y. Yeah, I'm surprised. These are actually pretty good.
Sorry, dogs.
Well, I still want to give one to the dogs. And it looks like you also put this in the cart. Cookie butter. This stuff is.
Should we try it?
This stuff is addictive.
Let me grab spoons.
Well, we've already tried this before, so she wants to try it again. Oh, you know what? I think they sold us a bad one. What happened there?
They sold us a bad one.
They did sell us a bad one. Somebody already ate out of this.
It wasn't
We
me.
can't eat this. If somebody ate out of it already.
I don't know who we have, but I'll take care of that. I remember who told me about this. Alan from the run team. He told me he drove there. He went in, he bought a whole thing of this, and he went out to the parking lot. He ate the entire thing in his car, and then he went back in and got a second one.
It really is good, but that's enough for me. It's rich. Well, we have nothing left from Trader Joe's. You saw it all. We did our taste test. I like to stop at the different stores and see what new products they have every once in a while. And unfortunately, they didn't have any new fall things yet. So this is our opinion on the food. And I hope you guys liked it. Give it the thumbs up and share. Don't forget to subscribe, survive, watch out for zombies, and we'll see you guys next time. All right, guys, we're back. We forgot one thing, one very important thing. We have non-dairy oat frozen dessert. In other words, ice cream. So Trader Joe's doesn't like to use the word ice cream when it comes to like vegan things. Like their oat milk is called oat beverage, and I really don't like that. So we got some strawberry ice cream here, but they don't want to call it ice cream. It's just frozen dessert. And we forgot to try it because it was in the freezer when we were doing all this, and we just got a little bit too excited. But anyways, it says vegan right there on the container lid. So we're gonna undo it, pull the protective coating off, and don't smell like anything. Let's go. Oh, right off the bat, it's really creamy.
Right off the bat, you have a hair.
Did I get it off?
Mm-hmm.
How is it?
Good. What's in it? There's nothing in it. Oh, like almond brittle and candied strawberries.
Oh, wow.
Good.
What was the other strawberry ice cream that
Aldi.
Aldi? That was really good.
This is better though.
It is. This is good. It's good. If you pick it up, you'll most likely like it unless you just don't like strawberry. All right, that concludes our review. Trader Joe's. Oh, you can have more if you want. All right, guys, see ya.
Seats. Okay. Ow! Okay.
They like it?
Yeah,
of course
love
they
it.
did.
You want to try a banana ribbon? Indy doesn't like bananas. He's like, it's crunchy, I'll eat it.
And of course Zeke will eat it.
No, sit. Okay. Yum, 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 yum. Who likes dog treats? Eat it. Yum, yum. Eat it. Yum, yum.
Good boys.
See ya!